Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will discuss about the commands available in this modify section, that is shell command, draft, scale and combine. One by one I will discuss all these four commands in this video. So first I go to create a sketch. Then from here I select this bottom plane. Now I am creating a square of 100 by 100 to explain you how to use the shell command and other three commands. Now finish sketch. Now select this plane and extrude it up to, let's say, 100. Okay. Now we will discuss about the shell command. So as we select this shell command, it will ask to us that what is the faces or body. So as I select this face, it will ask to us about the thickness of the shell. So let's say I provide here 5. So as you can see, it will create such kind of shape. Okay, let's say if I create a circle here, finish the sketch. Now select this, put it up to, let's say, this. So now if I choose this shell command again and I choose this face, let's say I provide here 5 mm. So as you can see, it will create a shell like this. Oh, it's okay. It will provide such kind of shape. So as per your application, you can use this shell command. Now the next is draft. As I choose this draft command, it will ask us pull and pull direction. Let's say I provide the direction in this way. So as I can simply flip the direction by click over there, and then it will ask to us what is the faces. So I select this. In this way you can provide the draft. So you can provide here, let's say, 45-degree angle draft, so it will create such kind of shape. If I provide here minus 45 degree, then it creates such kind of. Okay, you can also provide one side, two side. So you can provide here, let's say, 45 in both direction, 45, 30, and press OK. This is your draft command. Okay, let's say we create a cylinder by using this extrude command. This one, go to home position. It will ask to us what is your plane. So let's say here I provide the plane. Now I am creating here a circle of 50 mm. Finish the sketch, and then I extrude it to, let's say, 80 mm. Now if we want to combine these two bodies, we will use this combine command. For that, first I have to move this particular body, then press OK. Now if we want to combine these two bodies, how can we combine? Then combine, then tool body. Let's say this is our tool body and the target body. So as we choose this target body and tool body, it will ask to us whether you want to join them. Yes, so choose this option. If you want to cut, choose this one. Yes, and if you want to intersect them, then choose this. So we want to join these two bodies, so we choose this one and press OK. Now let's say if we want to scale particular body, choose this one, then it will ask about the scale factor. If we choose here, let's say 2.00, then it will scale the particular body up to 200% and press OK. So as you can see, this scale command enlarge this particular body by 200%. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. In the next video we will discuss about these 5 commands one by one.